I'm at the other side already.
Okay, Noah, stop right there. Logan, stay right there. Can you hold on? Noah? Noah. I want to take a picture of you. Logan, this way. Smile.
No, you look bomb. But no, maybe they are real. Maybe they are real. You know why?
I think they might be real, but they don't have any explosives in them, which means if they drop them, they will not go boom.
Daddy, but maybe they did that because it's just looking right now, right? Like if the explosives out, they might be so heavy that they drop and they might fall and explode this airplane.
Yeah, okay, Logan, wait up, please. Wait. Guys, should I take a picture of the... You want to sit down there, Noah? Let's see. Logan, you want to get next to Noah? Get next to Noah. I'll take a picture of you guys, okay? Logan, say cheese. Look at that. Look, both of you, look at me.
Wait a minute, it's gotta be wrong.
Okay, be careful walking around here. Go that way. Noah, do you know what that is beneath us right there? That's where the belly gunner is. It's like a ball. It's a ball.
But how do they get in? They go around here and climb in there?
I'm not sure how they get in. They might get in from underneath. I'm not sure. Can I help you? Oh, Noah, look at the side, the waist gun. That's the waist gun. You want to... Logan, can you go with Noah right there? Picture you guys here. Okay, Noah, Logan, look this way.
It's so tiny because you can't.
Guys, look at me. Okay, hold on, guys. Logan, Noah, look at me. Noah.
There's the exit right here.
Nice.
Here's another one, Daddy.